In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 rare things in the world. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Our planet is loaded with secrets that, even right up to the present day, can't be made sense of. There are various disclosures all around our Earth that even specialists don't exactly have the foggiest idea. These mind-boggling spots, items, and things make interest and make us wonder. Seeing these unprecedented and surprising animals can stun. Investigate these main 10 exceptional and interesting finds on our planet that make us question the past and ponder what else could be concealed on Earth. Number 10. White peacocks. Individuals know about the blue and green peacocks known for their splendid, glowing tails. However, not all birds are fabricated something similar. Individuals who experience white peacocks frequently accept the birds are pale-skinned person, yet this isn't true. Albinism causes a total drabness and red or pink eyes, and the white peacock has eyes that are a delightful shade of blue. Chicks are conceived yellow, yet as they experienced, these birds become white. The white peacock is tracked down in the meadows of Australia and India and has a hereditary transformation known as leucism, which causes the absence of colors. The outcome is the white, pale, or sketchy tinge of their plumes. Leucism influences creatures beside the peacock, including different birds, reptiles, and, surprisingly, a few vertebrates. Number 9. Bismuth crystals. Bismuth is quite possibly of the prettiest gem on our planet and is known for its rainbow tones and complex mathematical structure. Initially found in old times, bismuth is a fragile metal that is frequently mistaken for lead and tin. Beside being delightful, bismuth is utilized for the end goal of mending, with gem recuperating specialists expressing the gem is a stone of change, assisting with adjusting to change with quiet confirmation. These shocking gems are tracked down in Australia, Bolivia, and China, with an expansive range of varieties seldom seen in other well-known gems. Number 8. Rainbow eucalyptus. These beautiful trees look like somebody painted them. Notwithstanding, they are normally this way, with stripping bark uncovering these one-of-a-kind tones. The rainbow eucalyptus is native toward the northern side of the equator, filling in the Philippines, New Guinea, and Indonesia. Because of the tropical woodlands that get a ton of downpour, the trees flourish and grow up to 250 feet tall. Obviously, the most unprecedented thing about these trees is their bark. The past season's bark strips off in strips, uncovering splendidly hued new bark underneath it. The stripping brings about vertical dashes of red, orange, green, and blue and is a sight to see. The rainbow eucalyptus thrives in full sun and clammy soil, so assuming you live in a space that gets a lot of downpour and no ice, you can really develop your own rainbow eucalyptus tree. Number 7. Dragon's blood tree. Discussing trees, the Dracaena cinnamomum, otherwise called the winged serpent's blood tree, is a sight all alone. The branches develop near one another, with green leaves growing off to make an odd umbrella shape. Notwithstanding, the most inquisitive trademark conceals inside the storage compartment. A thick, blood-hued sap gave the trees their novel name. The fluid is utilized as a characteristic color, and some accept it contains mending properties. While many trees like the oak and maple are found from one side of the planet to the other, the mythical serpent's blood tree just becomes on the Socotra archipelago in Yemen. Number 6. Very distinct waterfall. Situated in Antarctica, Blood Falls is a 5-story cascade that spills out of the Taylor Glacier in the landmass McMurdo Dry Valleys. Its dazzling red tone is disturbing yet staggering. In spite of the fact that it was found in 1911, it was only after 2017 that researchers sorted out why the waters were red. As per research by the University of Alaska Fairbanks, the shading is because of oxidized iron in saline solution salt water, the very cycle that gives iron a dull red tone when it rusts. This is genuinely quite possibly of the eeriest cascade on Earth, particularly compared against Antarctica's unforgiving, white tundra. Number 5. Albino alligators. Pale-skinned person crocs are very uncommon, with just a modest bunch of them actually left on the planet. These animals miss the mark on shade melanin, so their bodies are unadulterated white, and their eyes are pink. One renowned pale-skinned person crocodile named Pearl should be visible at Florida's Gatorland Protect. She is more than 7 feet in length and all white. Life can be more diligently for pale-skinned person creatures like Pearl, since they can only with significant effort camouflage themselves in marshy environmental factors. This might be the reason there are not many of these uncommon creatures left on the planet, or why those in the wild don't carry on with long lives. Their fair skin can likewise be unforgiving on a croc who might regularly invest a ton of energy in the sun. On the off chance that you at any point visit Gatorland, you'll see Pearl living in an exceptional concealed nook. Number 4. Diquis spheres. There is a secret encompassing these stone circles in Costa Rica, situated on the Diquis Delta on Isla del Cano. North of 300 petrocircles are dissipated along the nation and are as yet thought to be an incredible, inexplicable archaeological secret. Since the 1930s, many distinctively measured, impeccably formed circles have been found, with the heaviest gauging a few tons. As indicated by world-mysteries.com, the circles are solid models made by human hands. Not at all like the stone balls found in Jalisco, Mexico, these items are not normal in beginning, with practically every one of them made of granodiorite. Number 3. Stonehenge. Stonehenge is perhaps of the most notable secret tracked down on our planet. Situated in Wiltshire, England, Stonehenge comprises of a ring of standing stones, with each roughly 13 feet tall, 7 feet wide, and weighing 25 tons. The ancient landmark was worked around quite a while back, with numerous researchers presently concurring that it was built as a cemetery. Be that as it may, these specialists presently can't seem to figure out what different purposes they served and how a human progress with no cutting-edge innovation with a wheel could make this old landmark. Number 2. Purple carrots. We grew up eating orange carrots, yet did you had any idea about that carrots of various shades of purple were once the standard? As per popular science, carrots were first trained in Afghanistan and spread toward the eastern Mediterranean around a long time back. By the mid-1500s, orange carrots spread to parts of Europe, yet the purple, yellow, red, and white assortments kept on filling in Asia and the Middle East. Nobody is certain the way in which orange carrots came to fruition. However, purple carrots could have become less well known in light of the fact that they will generally drain a dull color onto anything that they are cooked with and are more difficult to develop. Purple carrots have acquired notoriety as of late, springing up at supermarkets and ranchers' business sectors. The strangely tinted veggie is said to have a seriously sweet, once-in-a-while peppery flavor. Number 1. Underwater cairn in the Sea of Galilee. As of late, archaeologists found a colossal submerged structure at the lower part of the Sea of Galilee in Israel. They likewise found a gigantic stone Hagel moon-molded landmark in the northern piece of the country. It has left numerous researchers confounded with respect to who constructed these designs and what they involved them for. In 2014, Israeli archaeologists found the Jethro Cairn, a sickle-formed stone landmark bigger than a football field that should be visible on satellite pictures. Not a long way from the cairn, one more design with a breadth more prominent than the length of a Boeing 747 was tracked down around 9 meters under the Sea of Galilee. This monstrous design was worked out of basalt shakes and organized looking like a cone. It is purportedly 2 times the size of the ancient landmark Stonehenge in England. What do you think about this video? Do let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.